First, we're going to start off with a nice little bowl, preferably one that your roommate didn't wash properly after the last time they stole some of your cereal after you went to bed late at night. Fuck you, Marco. So we're going to go ahead and rinse that off first, and we're good to go. Next, you're going to want to grab some berries. I myself prefer a nice blueberry because it reminds me of how I feel on a regular basis, but feel free to grab any berry you'd like. Toss the berries in a bowl and cover with yogurt. Make sure you get the blandest, Greekest yogurt you can find. You really want the yogurt to taste like nothing, so you can remind yourself how healthy you're being by avoiding the extra 16 grams of sugar you'll inevitably end up eating after this meal is done anyway. Next, grab a fat sack of granola. I myself prefer a nice big bag from Costco because it provides the optimal cost to slap ratio. This is the measure of how many times you can slap your granola like a bag of sand until it starts falling apart like our current economy. You're going to want to slap your sack at least 3 or 4 times before pouring some in your bowl. Now we just gotta finish it off with some bananas. I like to slice my bananas nice and thin, but feel free to slice your bananas any way you like. Then just scoop them up with your bare hands and cram them into your bowl. Throw an entire clementine in for good measure. This one's a little brown, but I actually have some brown friends and they're usually a lot sweeter than my regular friends. If your bowl's getting too full, feel free to gently compress the top of your bowl with an open palm while gently consoling your bowl. It's gonna be okay. And finally, top with 1 cherry tomato for garnish. And there you go, a beautiful breakfast bowl to start your day off right. Thank you so much for watching, and tune in next week to learn how to make something else.